First off, I want to say welcome to the course, and in this video we're going to be doing a brief overview of Procreate. You can see here I'm on version 5.2.6. You might be on an older version or a newer version, so it's important to know that there might be some slight discrepancies in what you see, maybe some buttons or the way the app looks, but for the most part everything is going to apply across the board. If you have any specific questions about your version, make sure to drop them in the comments below, and it's something I can take a look at. To check on your version, you can simply press on the Procreate up here, and it'll tell you exactly what you're working with. So as a quick overview of the app, you're loaded up into the gallery. You have your select, import, and import photo, import file, and create a new canvas, and so on and so forth. Once you're inside a project, let's take this quick little example of some of my shapes. You can see you have your brushes, your smudge tool, your eraser, the layers panel, your colors. Inside your colors, you have these different settings, harmonies, values, pre-made palettes. And then up here, you have your actions, more of your setting stuff up here. So you have your actions, you have your adjustments, you have your selection tool, and you have your move tool. So from there, you can press the gallery button and it'll take you right back to where you started. The app is pretty straightforward and simple. They've done a really great job of making this as intuitive as possible. But in the later lessons, we'll dive deeper into what all of these settings do so that there's nothing left up for chance. You'll know exactly what all these do and how to use them to your best advantage in your own artwork. I think that it's really important to get these basics down because it'll be really, really good for you in the future. So you're not, wondering or guessing what you're doing in the app. You'll have tons of confidence and that'll help translate into your work. You see, you make a brush stroke, tap with 2 fingers, that's going to undo. We'll get into gesture controls in the essential features in the next couple lessons. But I just wanted to show you the simple bare bones, what you're working with here, what's on the screen. You have your brush size right here. You have your brush opacity down here. And these settings are going to be ones that you use a lot of the time. So it's important to, get a good grip of what's going on right from the beginning. Let's move on to the next lesson where we will talk about some of the essential features of Procreate.